Welcome once again to my channel. SAS Skincare is the you are stopping by for the very first time. You are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with me. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to make a whitening oil. Please, this oil is for whitening. So if you are not ready to whiten your skin, this oil is not for you. So guys, let's go and watch the video till the end. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment to encourage me to do more videos. Thank you. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Let me show you how to make this amazing oil, which can give you 3 shades. Continual usage can give you 3 shades. But first, I am sanitizing my cup and my spatula very well, making my environment also clean. I'll place my cup on my scale. I'm going to scale my first ingredient. That is my kojic acid oil. I'm using the Vit Gold one. Kojic acid oil. I'm using the Vit Gold one. Kojic acid oil moisturizes the skin and it glows the skin. Also brightens the skin. It doesn't whiten the skin. For my own review, this oil doesn't whiten the skin. It glows it up. Okay, guys. So I've added in 100 ml or 100 grams of my Vit Gold kojic acid oil. My next ingredient is my Make Me White Skin Perfecto serum. I'm adding 2 of my Make Me White Skin Perfecto serum. This oil is small and also expensive as well. Yes, I'm adding 2 bottles. Okay guys, 2 bottles. This oil is very nice. It glows, it whitens. Currently, I'm using this oil on my own skin. I've stopped my whitening lotion and I'm using this oil. So guys, the way I'm glowing, yes, I see this oil can benefit someone out there. That's the reason why I'm posting this video. So guys, watch the video and do it by yourself. My next ingredient is my almond oil. I'm adding in 50 ml of my almond oil. Almond oil also glows the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It doesn't let the skin dry. It just moisturizes the skin very well. You can also use this oil, but make sure to use it only at night. It's very good. And also you can also add to your whitening lotion or your lotion that you are using. Any lotion that you are using, you can add this oil to it and to glow your skin, giving you that whitening effect, but use it only at night. My next ingredient is my glutathione lemon serum. Glutathione lemon serum contains lemon at the same time glutathione. That's the reason why we are using this oil only at night. 15 ml or 15 grams of my glutathione lemon serum. Yes, my next ingredient is my magic white glycerin or magic white glycerin. I'm using 15 ml of it. Okay, 15 grams of my magic white glycerin. Scrubbing your skin and using this oil, you come back within 2 weeks and give me a testimony. It's very nice. We have also some at the stock, so if you cannot do it by yourself, you can also contact the number on the screen and get yours. It's very nice. Yes, I can testify with it. That's what I'm using it currently. I'm also going to add in my Rapid White Whitenizer. Half bottle of my Rapid White Whitenizer. Rapid White Whitenizer is very good for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, sunburn. So I'm going to use half bottle of my Rapid White Whitenizer. Guys, please make sure to get an original product. Anytime that you are doing your own product, make sure to get an original one. Okay, yes, or you can also better still contact us and get all the product that I'm using. Yes, you can also contact me and get it from me. My next ingredient is my Magic Derma serum. Magic Derma serum is a toning serum. At the same time, it glows the skin and it gives the skin uniform tone. Yes, I'm using half bottle as well. Please, if you have watched my video to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, okay, by subscribing and liking. Thank you. Let's continue. My next ingredient is my skin free milk. I'm adding in half bottle. Skin free milk is a bleaching oil but it doesn't harm the skin. It's very, very good for whitening. Yes, it doesn't harm the skin. So guys, please, I'm adding half bottle of my skin free milk. For me, skin free milk even darkens me, so I don't go more with the skin free milk. That's the reason why I'm adding half bottle of my skin free milk. Our new subscribers, you are highly welcome to Star Skincare channel. Yes, and my next ingredient is my propylene glycol. Propylene glycol, I'm going to add in only 20 ml for deep penetration into the skin. That's the reason why I'm adding in the 20 ml of my propylene glycol. My next ingredient is my recovery oil. Guys, please, yes, I'm adding the recovery oil. You can also add in your bio oil or rescue oil. I'm adding in half bottle. This oil is for stretch marks, wrinkles, fine lines. It reduces the appearance of them. Okay, so I'm adding half so that those who use oil and stretch marks will be occurring, or those who use whitening product and stretch marks will be occurring, it will stop, it will prevent it from occurring. That's the reason why I'm adding all these oils. My next oil is my beauty series oil. I'm adding 50 ml of my beauty series oil. As the name implies, it beautifies the skin. It gives it a beauty effect in a series form. That's the reason why this oil is called beauty series oil. So I'm adding 50 ml as well. Guys, please take note, 50 ml of my beauty series oil. My next ingredient is my grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is also very good. It glows the skin. So I'm adding 50 ml as well as my beauty series and my almond oil. My last but one is my Skin Doctor Amponus. Yes, this one is a stretch mask Amponus. I'm adding in 3 pieces of it. Stretch mask Amponus. I'm adding in 3 pieces of it. I'll be listed all the ingredients at the end of this video, so watch the video till the end. Please remember to also add in your whitening Amponus. Yes, the Skin Doctor Amponus comes in a lot of it have the stretch mask Amponus, the collagen Amponus, and the whitening Amponus. Please remember to add in 3 pieces of the whitening Amponus too. Okay, you can better still add in 2 pieces. Okay guys, please take note. Yes, so I've added in the 3 pieces and I'm going to stir it very well, making it a milky color. Okay guys, yes, stir it very well using your spatula or your spoon, whatever you are using. Make sure to stir it up very well. You can sell this oil, bring your testimony. Yes, sell this oil, bring your testimony. You can also better still do it and use it. I was using it for my skin, so I have some also at the stock there. You can also come and buy it up. Okay, it's not expensive, it's very affordable, and it will glow the skin, give it that flawless skin tone. Yes, trust me, it will give you that milky flawless skin tone. I'm going to stir it very well, making it incorporated. Look at how our oil look like, so yummy, so milky tone. Yes guys, this is the recipe and the ingredient that I use. Okay, so you can also screen it up and also buy it and do it by yourself. Yes, make sure to do it by yourself, or better still, come and buy it from us. Thank you for watching my video. Please, God bless you for always being with me. Like, share and comment. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.